Okay, I don't normally do voiceovers, but we're gonna try it. So we're making spaghetti, aka pasta, with ground beef and spinach, and then turkey sausage, bell peppers, and onions. And we made rice off camera. Well, a lot of shit was off camera. Anyway, so right now we just putting the sausage in the pan, letting it, cook on both sides. We just want it a little burnt, not too much, none extra. And this next clip that's coming up, ooh, I sound country. Anyway, this next clip, I'm showing y'all what it looked like so far, but next clip is what it's supposed to start looking like. Gonna start tossing it and whatnot. It's not the color we want it yet, but it'll get there eventually. I cut up like 2 packs of the turkey sausage that I got from Aldi's. It's like way cheaper than Walmart. I don't know. So I'm trying to get them to flip without using the tongs, because I'm not trying to use too many utensils, because dishes got to be washed and ain't nobody got time for that. The pots is enough. Okay, and right here we about to salt the water to make sure, I don't even know what the fuck this do, honestly. I think it's supposed to stop the pasta from sticking, but who knows. Right here we got 2 pounds of ground beef, that we got from Aldi's. Just chopping it up. And then this what I said, that's how that sauce is supposed to look. It could have got a little more brown on it, but that was good enough. I ate it today. It tastes good. This is the second batch going in. You see that ground beef over there? I'm so used to ground turkey. That ground beef over there cooking. Gotta cook it up. This is when I noticed that some of the sausage pieces is too damn thick, but I was not about to take them out and recut them up. Y'all get what y'all got, and it was good. That's all that matters. All right, here I put a baby amount of bell peppers and onions, because I chopped up all the bell peppers and onions for that meal and forgot to use some for the spaghetti. So I just used what I could, and then we put some spinach in there. You'll see it in one of these clips. All right, so we got the spinach defrosted. It was in the freezer, so we had to do what we had to do, and we cooked it up. Then add some nutrition to this shit. I don't know. I'm not good at voiceover, so y'all gonna get what y'all get. But it turned out good. I know it looked a little crazy, but it turned out good, I promise you. And here is me trying to do the finish on the spaghetti, putting the damn sauce in there. And then I got lightheaded. I forgot to season it and everything. I seasoned the meat off camera. I did that. But then I was talking to my mama, and then I started getting lightheaded, and I asked her to finish it up. I forgot to tell her that I didn't season it. So when I did feel better, I had to go back and season the rest of it. But like I said, it turned out good. It was not nasty. It didn't taste like jar pasta. Not at all. But I made it do what it do. And this is the meals that you use when you have to stretch that dollar. It feeds 3 grown ass adults, good enough for the whole week. And I just make my breakfast in the morning.